Hello humans, and welcome to Plants Per Serving. If this is your first time here, go ahead, subscribe, and ring that bell so you know when the new meals are dropping. Stick around to the end of this video, got a pretty sweet giveaway going, and you don't want to miss out. Alright, today, super excited about this. We're going to be taking flowers, hibiscus flowers, just like this to be exact, and we're going to be turning them into this. That's right, a vegan Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I saw these in the grocery store and I just grabbed them. I got a half a pound. It was like $3.50. I have no idea how much this is going to make, but you're going to throw them into a fine mesh strainer, turn them around to get the dust loose a little bit, and then you just start rinsing them with water. This took like 5 minutes. You want to go from red to like a light pink. Then you're going to throw them into a big stock pot, cover them with water, and get them boiling. Once they're boiling, let them go for about 10 minutes. Remove them from the heat, cover them up, and you're going to let this steep for about an hour. All right, so once that hour starts winding down, you can get your other ingredients together. You need an onion and a pepper, obviously, and a nice roll. Chop the onion in half. You're only going to need about half the onion. Snip, 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 turn and chop, chop, chop. You got those diced up, put them in a bowl. Going to need half the pepper as well. Get the ribs and the seeds out of that. Chop that up nice and dicey as well. All right, so now we're going to get our straining device put together. Strainer on top of a bowl. Strain these guys out. This is smelling extremely floral right now. It smells so good. I used a little spoon to kind of squeeze out the rest of the juice. Look at that right there. Let's gonna stop right there. This looks just like some shredded meat. I'm blown away by the texture of this. Now, obviously, it doesn't taste like that because it's a flour, but we're gonna get to that. But first, as we like to do, we like to stop and hydrate. We're gonna be making hibiscus tea because we have all of this tea already made, basically. So ginger, if you got a good idea for getting the skin off of ginger, please let me know because I had no idea. I think I wasted a bunch of it. Orange, chop it up. I got 2 giant mason jars, ginger and orange in each, and then it just magically poured in to the exact height. I was blown away. So like, 2 full mason jars of hibiscus tea. A lot of people say that they put sweetener in theirs, but I think it tastes great without sweetener. All right, back to the matter at hand, the cheesesteak. Oil in the pan, onions and peppers in the pan. Get those things going until they're about translucent. If you need the cheese recipe, click over here. All right, we added about half of the flours that we made, so that's about a 1/4 pound, and this is for 2 cheesesteak sandwiches. Stir these around for a couple minutes. They were still tasting kind of citrusy, so what I ended up doing was adding a capful of everybody's favorite liquid smoke, and it was still a little bit citrusy, so then I added some Tabasco sauce, vinegar to balance that citrus, and it really, really turned out amazing. All right, cut up your rolls and put it all together with the cheese from the other video, and voila. Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Guys, I've had a lot of Philly cheesesteaks in my life before I went to a plant-based diet, and this definitely helped satisfy that craving, and it was so fun and so easy. All right, let's get into the giveaway. Thug Kitchen 101, this book is awesome. I'm going to be giving away a copy to somebody at the 500 subscriber mark, so comment below if you'd like this book. Also, comment below if you made this sandwich and you loved it as much as I did. See you next time, y'all.